Do you think sleep quality is the biggest health challenge for adults today? I do, because my soulmate once told me if your sleep is bad, everything else falls apart. And you know what? She's right. It's so true. Your energy drops, your focus slips, your workouts feel harder, your mood changes, and even your destiny shifts a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I compared the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and Garmin 965 on sleep tracking, battery, steps, and activity data. And yes, I also got the Apple Watch Ultra 3. But today, I want to show you something different. A brand new piece of gear, the Nova Smart Ring. It's small, stylish, and designed to solve one problem that smart watches can't: comfort sleep tracking. You guys know I test a lot of advanced wearables. Before Apple Watch and Garmin, I even tested a little known device called the Misfit. Since then, I've reviewed Apple Watch 1, 3, Ultra 2, Ultra 3, Garmin Forerunner 965, 970, 570, Venu X1, and more. And while all of them deliver solid data, they share two problems. First, battery life. Apple Watches are powerful, but charging every 2 or 3 days? Oh boy, it's a headache. Garmin does better. I rarely feel battery anxiety with them. Second, comfort. Watches are bulky. Sleeping with a big watch on your wrist isn't fun, especially you're next to your partner. Let's just say it makes hugging a little awkward, but I still need sleep data. Did I recover well? Can I train harder today? Should I push in sports or take it easy? Watches give me the data, but not the comfort. That's where Nova comes in. They reached out and asked me to test their newest Nova Ring Model R. I've used this ring more than 2 weeks now, so I can give you more details about this ring. It comes in 2 colors. Silver titanium like this one. They got a crystal black. In this video, I'll focus on the silver titanium version. The black one is coming up in my next video, so make sure to stay tuned. Now let's talk about the features. The first thing that impressed me was the battery life. You can fully charge it in just 1 hour, faster than my Apple Watch Ultra 2. And then it lasts 5 to 7 days. That's huge. But here's what really makes it stand out: style and comfort. Whether I'm in a casual t-shirt or a formal shirt like this one, the silver titanium ring just works. I can wear it while washing my hands, showering, working out, play badminton, or even cooking. Basically, it fits anywhere, anytime. And unlike a watch, I barely notice it when I sleep. The high precision sleep data surprised me too. Accuracy is up to 95%, giving me reliable insights about my sleep quality. And then there is AI-powered health advice. The large-scale AI model offers personalized recommendations based on my data, helping me manage my health smarter. I'll be honest, I'm a fighter. At least kind of fighter. I want to push my limits, challenge myself, and prove the fortune teller wrong. So I have to know my power. Okay, enough of the rambling. Let's get back to the ring. The Nova Ring gives me a sleep score to evaluate my rest. It tracks blood oxygen, steps, calories, meditation, HRV, and more. The most important thing is no subscription fee. That's crazy, right? All other companies, they're asking money, but Nova just give these free functions to all the customers. Respect. So I strongly recommend you guys to try it. If you want to try Nova Smart Ring yourself, Nova give me a special code. Just type ChowHei1 at checkout and you'll get $20 off. I'll drop the description below so you can find it easily. That's the first deep dive into this Nova Smart Ring in silver titanium. Now I want to hear from you. Would you wear a smart ring instead of smart watch to track your sleep? And if so, which team are you? Silver, titanium, or crystal black? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps me keep testing more gear and in giving you more honest reviews. Your support is very important. Without you, this video won't exist. Thanks for your time. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.